Hello everyone and welcome back to Birding by Sun with Rachel. Today we are going to talk about the Townsend Solitaire, which is a gray-bodied, long-tailed thrush with a bold white eye ring. The Townsend Solitaire is found in mountain evergreen forests across a large swath of western North America. The song of this species is a long and somewhat jumbled finch-like warble with a surprising variety of whistled and sometimes husky notes. Let's have a listen. The call of the Townsend Solitaire is a series of evenly spaced, high, single notes that are quite reminiscent of the toots of the northern pygmy owl. Let's have a listen. Before we go, let's have one more listen to the song and calls of the Townsend Solitaire.